Hello friends, this salad will help you burn belly fat. Be sure to turn on the subtitles to find out more. Write in the comments from which country do you watch my videos. Let's take a look at the ingredients. First, we have 3 to 4 chicken eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for tissue growth and repair, as well as maintaining healthy muscles and bones. They contain many important vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, iron, zinc, and selenium. Plus, eggs boast antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect the eyes from aging and age-related diseases. The protein in eggs can also promote feelings of satiety, which can lead to reduced calorie intake throughout the day, and therefore help with weight control. Next, 2 to 3 pieces of potatoes. Potatoes are an excellent source of carbohydrates, the main source of energy for the body. They contain various antioxidants such as carotenoids and flavonoids, which can help protect the body from damage. Cooked potatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slow and gradual increase in blood sugar levels after consumption. They also contain significant amounts of fiber, important for a healthy digestive system. Moving on to cucumbers, we'll need 2. Remember to peel off the skin. Cucumbers are very low in calories, making them an attractive choice for those watching their weight or on a diet. They contain several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, important for bone health and blood clotting, and vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system. Cucumbers also contain fiber, which can help maintain a healthy digestive system and prevent constipation, along with antioxidants such as carotenoids and flavonoids, which can help protect cells from free radical damage and reduce the risk of developing various diseases. We'll also add some dill and green onions, which contain vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folic acid and potassium. Green onions have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. And don't forget the parsley. Parsley contains significant amounts of vitamin K, important for bone health and blood clotting. It also contains antioxidants such as carotenoids and flavonoids, which help protect cells from free radical damage. Parsley contains fiber, which helps maintain a healthy digestive system and prevent constipation. Finally, 3 to 4 spoons of thick yogurt and mustard to taste. Yogurt is a healthy and delicious addition to salads. Now let's cook the eggs and potatoes. Boil eggs in water. Cook potatoes in water until tender. Let cook for 10 minutes. Remove shells from eggs and cut into small cubes. Peel the potatoes and cut into small cubes. Next, we'll prepare the cucumbers. Peel the cucumbers and cut into pieces. Add 2 small spoonfuls of salt and mix. Leave for 10 minutes. Squeeze out excess liquid from cucumbers. Mixing the ingredients. Let's combine the eggs, potatoes, and cucumbers in a bowl. Next, we'll add chopped dill, green onions, and parsley. Now, mix in 3 to 4 spoons of thick yogurt and mustard. Make sure to mix all the ingredients thoroughly to ensure every bite is as flavorful as the last. Final touches. Your healthy and delicious salad is ready. Enjoy this recipe if you want to lose weight. Bonus recipe. Let's go through the ingredients. We'll need young cabbage, which is not only low in calories, but also hydrates the body due to its high water content. You'll also need a cucumber, 2 to 3 chicken eggs, 1 avocado, which is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids like oleic acid. Don't forget the parsley, lemon juice, salt, walnuts, 2 spoons of olive oil, and 30 milliliters of water. Start by mixing cabbage, cucumber, and boiled eggs. Add chopped avocado and parsley. Season with lemon juice, salt, and olive oil. Grind walnuts with water in a blender and mix into the salad. This salad is not only very delicious, but also suitable for a healthy diet. Good luck! Did you like the recipe? Show it to your friends. If you like my recipes, you can support me. Become a sponsor of my channel. If you want to lose weight, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos. Have a nice day.